Now, this is the worksheet for comparing all the banks together and then determining which bank is better, which is uh, good, and which is underperforming. There are four levels of scores. Let me explain here. So these are this is the mark allocation guide. There are four levels of scores: 3, 2, 1, 0 for highly relevant, relevant, partly relevant, and irrelevant. Or it can also be termed as the best, better, good, and substandard or inferior or not good. So these four levels have been associated with the scores, and that score is taken from the according to the values in this input sheet of each bank. Mm, It depends on these values and these ranges of the relevant ratios. Like this is average return on equity and percent it has outperformed the industry standard ratio, industry average, and likewise the spread and the percent it has outperformed the industry's overall industry spread. So that is how we determine the scoring of each bank. And here we have the investment policy of Islamic Development Bank, and here we have explained the each aspect. We have looked into the evaluation of each bank, like its relevance of the investment, how relevant was the investment, how efficient was the investee bank, how effective was the investee bank, and is the investee bank sustainable in future. So all these aspects were looked for evaluating, and within these aspects, there are sub aspects and ratios. So, as I've shown you, here are the some working the ratios and industry averages, and from the uh, these values were calculated, and outperformance from the industry benchmark was determined, and then the scores were given. And below this table, we can see the total score. Here is the total score of each area, and the total, like in this, each area has been given 25 equal weightage, 25% each. And from the 25, this is the score of each bank from within the 25. And if we take it as 100, then from the 100, each bank has scored this much score in each area. And then these scores, according to this range of values, uh, these scores were given the grades of A, B, C, D, and then the overall grade was determined for each bank. So that is how I made the detailed analysis of Islamic Development Bank's investments. So it was a very important and significant assignment which I recently conducted. So I hope you will appreciate it. And if you have time, I will also show you some more working that match. So thank you for now. Okay.